off to a fine start. Late, the first morning. The agency said she'd be here by 10.
It's 5 minutes before 10. And Val, we're keeping this one. At least until she restores some semblance of order here. We're both too used to having someone to pick up after us.
Well, I hope this one isn't entirely clueless. They just don't make household help like Gertrude anymore. Bless her soul.
And you didn't like Gertrude in the beginning either?
I did.
You did not.
Gertrude was perfect.
After 6 years, maybe. But you hated her at first. Val, we're keeping this one. Even if she's not perfect.
But Steve...
Promise?
Steve!
At least allow me to make the decision this time.
Okay. Okay. Now these plants are wilting like they haven't been watered all weekend. Where's Chris?
Remember, it was his weekend off.
And why aren't you getting dressed for work?
Monday, the 15th. My leave starts today. 4 weeks.
That's right.
Mr. Early.
And what is your name? My loveliness.
Sophia Brown. Everybody call me Dimples.
Oh, Dimples. I suppose that are because of those two big dimples.
Yes, sir. But the dimples, them up here, sir.
Yes. Well, you can rest a suitcase over there. I said over there, sir. In the patches. Perfect. It's perfect right there. You is the third in 6 months. Since Gertrude dropped out. I really hope you stay.
You not have to touch me when you talk to me now, Mr. Urkel.
Early.
I don't like people talk up into my face. Where's the wife, sir?
Yes. Think of me firmly when I shed my heart.
Wife, sir?
Yes. Would you like me to would you like me to demonstrate round up back to you?
If I get the work, just demonstrate the helper's quarters to me. Oh, and they say I was to negotiate salary. I don't work for minimum wage. Not with this elevator house.
Yes. The house is very full of capacity.
For real? And look like a pigsty.
Come. Let me show you around the yard.
Run a yard. Then me with a response for yard too. Not work for no good.
Watch your steps, sweetheart.
Hi. What are we going to do about breakfast?
I made coffee, sausage.
French toast to ride.
Thank goodness one of us can cook.
Sausage and French toast is not cooking, Steve.
Do you know how to make French toast, hon?
I don't need to. I'm a lawyer.
So am I, and I can still make French toast.
You hear me something like people got to touch me up?
Some sweetheart. In there is the library with books. Up here is the master bedroom with a jacuzzi, 2 sinks, and 2 toilets.
2 toilets?
Empress sparklers down the patches. The green door on the left. In here is the kitchen. And this is the boss. And this is
Mr. and Mrs. Hurley. And you are?
What mirror? What when we come here,
Please
you
water the
tell me.
house plants, Chris.
yes, ma'am.
And Chris, that other toilet, it's a bidet.
Yes, ma'am. It's a bidet.
Mr. and Mrs. Early.
I believe my husband just said that. And you said your name was?
I never say mama.
Well, what is your name?
Everybody call me Dimples.
What does it say on your birth certificate? You do have a birth certificate, don't you?
Val.
No, me never born, ma'am. Me hatch.
That's it. You're a little bit too saucy.
Oh, you know what is true?
Dimples! I quite like the name.
But do you have a letter from the agency?
No.
So how do we know you're actually from the agency? You could be a thief, a burglar.
Me ever burgle anything from you, man? Look here. Make I grab my thing and
Oh, no! Relax.
If she wants to go, let her go.
Valerie, I'll handle this. Dimples, come, sit. Val, aren't you on your way to the office?
I'm taking the day.
Let's all talk. Dimples. Where was your last job?
A dear care center.
What did you do there? There.
Well, work.
What my husband meant was, what kind of work did you do at this Dare Care Center?
Teach children's.
Dressed like that? What were you trying to teach the children's? Gynecology?
Valerie.
What you mean?
Nothing. Valerie's just pulling your legs. She's just playing with you. How long did you work there?
Well, one day.
One day.
Then me get fired.
Why were you fired?
I lose my temper and pump a little boy into his neck.
That was funny.
Isn't that funny? Only because you don't happen to be the father of the little boy that got thumped into his neck. Couldn't you have worn something that reaches closer to your knees, dear?
Wala abalangang alligator kimbo that reach us all. You know what? Me can't put up with all of this shit.
We don't swear in this house.
Where I come from, shit is not swearing.
Well, in this house, it is. And if you intend to work in this house, you will have to conform to the rules of this house, not to those of where you come from.
What is wrong with where I come from?
I have no idea and no desire to know. But you will not transform this household into a ghetto.
Valerie!
Be yourself. At least it would be a clean ghetto.
Dimples, what do you know about this kind of work?
Well, I know that Pantic was goalkeeping to sofa.
I'm about to have an afternoon meal, which includes a cream soup, a salad, a steak entree, a fruit dessert, and some red wine. Kindly set the table.
Valerie!
Everything you'll need is there. Set the table.
Set the table.
set the table.
It's set, Norma.
I don't think she's going to work out. But our lifestyle. But she's had no experience.
I like her. She has spunk.
I'm going to the office.
I'll get Dimple settled. Have a great day, hon. Don't stress. What? No kiss? Don't let Val get you all bent out of shape. Don't let her upset you. She is really a very nice
What make a woman like that? Take one look at a woman like me. I assume she better than me.
No, she doesn't. Really. Did you really talk that little boy to his neck? I haven't laughed like that in years. I take it you're great in the kitchen. We specifically asked for someone.
Help myself. So your wife can't cook?
She doesn't cook. But she makes a fantastic sex on the beach. That's a drink. My favorite cocktail called Sex on the Beach.
Cocktail?
Cocktails are mixed drinks. They give fancy names, like they call a vodka and orange juice a screwdriver.
And all of them have outside names, sir? Or you only love the slack ones?
You have a little dimples thing happening when you smile. Valerie makes her Sex on the Beach with vodka, cranberry juice, pineapple juice, and Chambord. That's a raspberry liqueur. I can teach you to make it.
I didn't come here to bartending school, sir. I come here to work. I'll go put my things into the Elvis quarters. I get to work, sir.
Yes, Dimples, you get the work.
What is spunk?
Spunk is spirit. Plot.
Oh,
It's
vibes.
Yeah, that's it. Vibes.
Somebody, yaddy, yaddy, yaddy. Everybody, yaddy, yaddy, yaddy. Need somebody, somebody to love, somebody to kiss, somebody fit come still, don't nobody really fit. Need somebody to love, somebody to kiss, somebody to go ooh, 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 ooh. Somebody to love, somebody to kiss. One. This don't look good, Dimples. 1 week and you start from work late already?
I asked every time to carry my son.
God, your essence smell good.
It's none of your business anyway.
Show my Dimples, man. You couldn't still vex with me.
We never no argument with you now.
I never mean nothing. Cross me H-A-R-T. Was just, you know.
Pulling my legs.
No. It's just the joke we did I run with you. That first morning.
You hear me saying like people touch me up?
Somebody to love.
And how come you just can't set like people in fritz up?
They're cool that way, man. There is good people. Somebody become still, don't nobody ready. Somebody to love. Somebody to Alright. Oh, we can make it up back to you. Maybe we're going to take in a movie. You and me.
You couldn't afford it.
Yes, ma'am. We can.
I only sit in boxes.
To watch the movie?
Yes.
You don't have to sit on box. Them have real seats.
Me mean back seats. The expensive seats at the back.
Oh, expensive. Thank you.
The woman that tell us to stop wearing the dirty boot in the house. Put it on back.
Well, we're gonna go for lunch.
Madonia and Patrick.
Oh, you know something? Alright. Maybe we could go for a drink.
I only drink fancy cocktails.
We love chicken too. But we're not too sure about the tail part.
Not that kind of. Me like things like sex and the beach.
You know if we go so far.
Sex and the beach is something to drink.
Me not deal with them nasty something, baby.
A cocktail. Vodka, pineapple juice, cranberry juice, champagne.
What?
That's the raspberry.
What kind of berry?
You wouldn't understand.
Me nothing for that.
Exactly.
No, sir. But maybe we could have a hangout of Emancipation Park.
And the what?
Just admire the naked slave them. That we could with a oh.
You know that I have a son, right?
Yes, ma'am. His name, Luther.
Usher.
Sharp.
Him father is a poor, struggling mechanic.
So you is a girl that like a man that good with him hands.
Women are like hands who feel like greater. Me like a man who pedicure him hands.
But sweetheart.
Me already have one sufferer into my life. But the backside would I do it too. Morning, Mr. Early.
Morning, Dimples. Chris.
Morning, boss. I was just watering the plants.
I know I only ask for an hour, but me get hold up at the hospital.
Don't worry about it. How is Usher?
You remember his name? Is the shortness of breath didn't take him against us?
Well, hell.
Morning, Miss Early.
Morning, Chris.
Morning, ma'am.
I'm off to court.
Blow them away with that closing argument, hon.
Oh, I'm not sure the final paragraph packs enough punch.
You're never sure. And you always owe the jury. You're just a hopeless perfectionist.
Morning, Miss Early.
Morning, Chris.
Morning, ma'am.
Darling, you don't feel I'm guilty. Gallivanting all day while I'm working like a slave.
No. And I'm loving every minute of it.
You're loving every minute of it. Mwah.
Bye, and good luck. You shouldn't eavesdrop.
Eves what?
Listening on other people's conversations.
What's gallivanting?
Having fun, I guess.
So she think we having fun? You think she jealous?
No, she doesn't think of you like that. Valerie sees right through people like. Valerie only sees the things that are of paramount importance to her. Everything else is invisible. So, Usher has a breathing problem.
Yes. Heart panic first baby mother put him so. That cool bitch.
Horse tonic.
Oh, my baby father.
She put him so. What are you implying? What you're suggesting, hinting at?
Oh, yes, sir. Our sweet, yes, sir.
I'm sorry, I just don't buy into this business of phobia.
I can't catch you yet. Sometime, Usher sit down good. And as the baby dopey start play with him, So I'm start blow. If me no rush him go hospital, him blow out every inch of breath out and little body.
It sounds like asthma to me.
Same thing them claim up at the hospital. But guess what? The medicine don't work. I dopey the pan him, sir. Trust me. Sorry. You eat?
Not yet.
Your wife make breakfast before she leave?
Actually, I did.
You, Mr. Early?
Yes, me. I know my way around the kitchen. It might not taste like the food at La Brasserie.
La Brasserie?
A restaurant at the top of the Pegasus.
Very.
My cooking might not rival theirs, but I can help myself.
Can I?
Yes, you may, Dimples. Oh, you mean that sausage?
What else could I be talking about, Mr. Early?
That was an ambiguous question, Dimples.
What?
Ambiguous. Something that could have more than one meaning. For example, sausage. Could be referring to the one on the stove or something else.
Well, I was definitely talking about the sausage and the stove.
Yes, Dimples, you can sample my sausage. And there's French toast. Dimples.
So much stuff something. Cocktails and fancy words.
Books. Everything you ever wanted to know is written down in a book somewhere. Excuse me?
No, it's alright.
You just have to find it. Do you read?
If I read it, I can read.
I know you can, Dimples. I'm asking if you do.
Well, not as much as you.
You should read more.
How about this? Me spend Tuesday mornings in your library reading, and you make breakfast.
Okay.
I'm joking.
I'm not.
No, for real, Mr. Early. Me was just being ambiguous.
Okay. What's the one thing you wish you knew more about?
Asthma.
All right. That's your first research topic, starting next Tuesday.
No, it wasn't serious.
So, Usher's father, this mule person. Yeah. Horse tonic. Does he send you roses?
Horse tonic would never do that. He is not that kind of man.
Do you love him?
I'm sorry. I just don't buy into this business of love. I believe strictly in spirit taking.
Spirit taking. Interesting.
For real. Love too complicated.
Yeah, it can be. Sometimes the newness of an encounter gets mistaken for love. A woman like you deserves a man who sends her roses.
A woman like me, are me.
If I didn't know any better, I think you're flirting with me.
Thank God you know better. Cause people like me don't even know how to flirt.
I'm going for my morning walk.
Yeah, you have a little belly thing happening.
You think?
Oh, Mr. Early. I was ambiguous wrong, right?
Well, kind of. Yes.
So why you didn't correct me?
I wasn't sure how you'd take it.
Don't worry about that. Next time, just do it.
Okay. Miss Sophia Brown. Next time, I'll just do it. And I may be a little longer than usual this morning. I have to stop to smell the daisies.
Oh, para. You're coming here to watch me at the water the plant then?
You blasted face saver, Opera! The woman named Afra! But next time, just do it.
You was eavesdropping?
What?
You wouldn't understand.
When we can look on the box, so.
Look on him out.
Like you're John Crow. And him a dead dog. Like you would have done him raw.
So why you bending yourself shapeless?
What?
Never mind.
Oh, I tell you what, I'm with the boss. You know what I mean? You know when you pick the pooper jackass call me that?
It's name is Hans.
You look like me care? Does I look like I care? Stop it! We not good enough. We are spread. A big fish after.
I never even know about that fish. And how come it never occurred to you that the boss one there with me?
Oh no. Phoebe boss of class. He could have never wanted with you. He must mix and mingle with important people.
What are you implying?
I is implying that he might have carry out 2 and tush $5,000 plate dinner. And you forget where you're there and start clear table and wash up plate.
Hello. You know nothing about me. Fool. You know what me is yours, sir?
No. But me sure say from you born, you never see $5,000 worth of food in a one plate.
Hello. You're fool. Me eat a lot Brazil at the top of Pegasus.
You is nobody. And you're not coming and come mash up them life.
How would I go clean people, boy?
Me no care over Brazil, me no matter.
You must be thinking me a TV.
Are you addressing to me?
Third time you're coming here from morning. Are you not doing that damn thing?
Me I was the plant. I didn't even know you was here.
You go and watch. I soon give you some pain for you watch. You ready for your lunch, sir? Or are you waiting for your wife?
Not when it's stewed peas. But I'm going to have to forgive me for starting without her today. You okay, Chris?
Yes, boss. I was just watering the plants.
Again? Careful in a John and planted.
That smells divine.
Is the pig's tail.
Chris just has a new compulsion for water in the house plants.
Maybe it's my garden more water, sir.
You think?
Get a thought, sir. What I mean is that...
I know what you mean, Dimples. I'm not from another planet, you know. And I can't say I blame Chris.
Sir.
You're quite a sensual young lady.
Sensual.
It means...
Sexy.
something like that. Dimples, you have to teach my wife how to cook stewed peas like this.
Can I take a beer, Mr. Early?
Yes, you may, Dimples. You're part of the family now.
May I take this weekend off?
I thought you had every
I'll
other...
work the next 2 weekends straight.
Oh, okay.
For real? God, you're easy. Please tell your wife how we're working this weekend.
Why?
Why you must tell her? Or why you want me working?
The latter.
What?
Okay, I said the latter. It means the last thing you said. If you ask A or B, and I say the latter, I mean B.
Then what into that for hide?
I wasn't trying to hide anything.
Force it out there. What do the type of people that like share?
Huh. Tell me, how are you and I different?
Well, for one thing, me is a woman, and you look like I could be a man.
You want proof?
No, me alright. You're quite alright.
Forget I that.
I forgot already.
So, how is Usher?
Oh, doing a little better since we went that nebulizer thing.
So you, why can't you work this weekend?
We gone back to that?
We didn't get past it. We got sidetracked.
Is it part of my job to explain my whereabouts to when I'm not here?
My question had nothing to do with the requirements of the job. It was a personal question.
Mind you bite off more than you can chew. You will choke.
Don't you underestimate the size of my gullet.
I won't be working this weekend because we're going to Rebel Salute.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, only problem is dollars are running.
No dollars now run. Look here. I want to boil the man.
So, after today, I won't be seeing you until Monday.
Yeah.
I'm already looking forward to Monday.
Mind that gullet of yours not as big as you think. But no dogs are running. Afternoon, Miss Early.
Sophia? Oh, don't put a beer bottle to your head. It's unladylike. Use a glass. What was that about?
Oh, nothing. Just Dimples warning me about the size of her, the spinners in her stew peas.
This is a steak knife. We're not having steak, Sophia.
Wait till you taste the stewed peas, Val. It's sumptuous.
Yes, Steve. So you keep reminding me. My husband husband must have told you that we do a lot of entertaining, Sophia. Cocktail parties, buffets, wine and cheese. Can you prepare pasta? Linguine, vermicelli, rigatoni, fettuccine, ravioli, capellini, tortellini.
Spaghetti!
Yes, me know what spaghetti. Me can cook that. Just boil it down like a pot and that's
Yes. Same thing, just shaped differently.
They're not.
Dimples, why don't you go finish what you are doing in the kitchen? You expect someone of Dimples' background to know the difference between vermicelli and...
Rigatoni is tubular.
I don't give a shit. I'm sorry.
There was no need to swear.
Shit is not swearing. Look, Dimp, Valerie. You need to learn to stop and smell the daisies. What's that?
a sweet martini. You say you like a cocktail with lunch, so you look into the book you have in the library.
My husband doesn't drink
This
martinis.
is great, Dimples. I'm impressed. Isn't this great, Val?
And we don't serve a martini in a margarita glass.
Hey, what's the difference? Tastes the same. Thanks, Dimples. This is nice. Why do you have to burst her bubble like that?
You did the same thing 2 nights ago.
What are we talking about now?
Call me Dimples.
Slip of the tongue. Being home, I have reason to call her name. She's here all day.
So is Chris. You've never called me Chris.
Don't get paranoid on me, Val. For God's sake, if this kind of thing happens. Excuse me. I don't like your vibes.
You look so good, I wanna be first of all. Accept tonight, 'cause you're good looking girl. Oh, you look not dirty something, good dirty something.
What up, watchy? What up, watch? I'm gonna get you a gat dog. It's not safe to do all this watchman work without even a little baton for the pedestal.
Why? You might have fooled the boss, but you can't fool me. Me no say you is nobody.
Right. And it's only you. See me as a threat, me? A woman like she don't see me as a threat. Probably don't see me at all. See right through me.
Miss Early know what you're up to. You don't see how the poor woman that lose weight.
What?
Our collarbone gets so sharp.
Me never even know the vegetable and rice, I'm with two different parts.
At 5 a.m. I walk here. I'm never one day. See I come home for lunch. Till you start work here. Your perfume smell like tears. Since you start work here, every day as a clock strike 1, boom, the bell strike up.
She know better than that. She know that little invisible me couldn't steal her husband.
You want to take with the boss.
He's a nice man. And all this fear in love and war.
So you finally admit it.
And be honest, Mr. Watchy.
You hear me say stop calling watching?
If you get a shot at all this, you would have passed it up? Eh? Me see the woman in a one net. Yes. If she said that and give me the money, me and Osha could have lived comfortable for the next 10 years.
Watering the house plants again, Chris.
No boss. I just done.
You're driving that boy crazy. I can see why though. You look like you could keep a man happy.
For real?
Really?
You happy, Mr. Early?
Why ask?
When the life seems so dull. Same routine every day, every week, every month, every year. You know, feeling?
No, I don't feel bored.
Me couldn't live so. Me have to enjoy my life.
I do enjoy my life.
Really? You ever have an affair?
I've never even thought about that before. We just have different values. That's all.
Oh, so in other words, somebody like you value more than me?
That's not what I meant. Things that are important to you, not as important to me, and vice versa. And you keep saying somebody like me, as if we were different species. As if I was a bird and you were a fish or something.
No, I hear you're the fish. The big fish. Anyway, I think I'm more like the bird. Dainty.
We're all the same. Just been exposed to different things, that's all. It's one race, the human race. We're all equal in God's eyes.
Yes, one race. But in this race, people like you way up front Me somewhere near the back.
I'll slow down. So you can catch me.
This gap too wide.
I'll stop and make you pass me. I like coming from behind.
No, God, Mr. Early is ambiguous.
It was meant to be.
You know what is true? I better go take them clothes out of the dryer.
Dimples, I was just wondering.
Stop wondering. That is what it feels like to kiss somebody like
Dimples, I was just wondering something else.
that. You're going to have to go find out from your books.
God, this can't be happening. Dimples, I didn't hear you come in. Are you crying?
No, something in my eyes.
Yeah, a great big bloodshot. You can talk to me.
But I have nothing to talk about.
Yes, you do. And I'm not leaving until you do.
He's a little old fat man.
Donkey medicine.
Heart tonic.
Yes. Is him hit you? Why?
Him claims something change. Masha is with him godmother. This is the first and last time we put him thinking that the Christian coming. If him try it again, I make up my mind to get him and let him backside.
Then what would happen to you?
Maybe go rubber sentence fee. I don't know.
And Usher?
Yeah, you hear me, Mr. Early? Right now, me no business, you know. Me no response.
Yo! You are hear me? Usher is your responsibility. You have a response.
Not try talk patois. It not fit you. I'm not going back there. No, I'm not staying here. Me find a room next door to my girlfriend. It will be ready by weekend.
Leave Horsey if you have to. Just don't contemplate anything that will destroy the rest of your life. And Usher's.
If me never know better, I would think you actually care. I'm sorry.
Making breakfast.
Where's Sophia?
In the library reading. Look, I made...
Sausage and French toast, yes. Am I missing something here?
We have a Tuesday morning arrangement.
Oh! On Tuesdays you're the helper and she's the husband.
Something like that.
So should I kiss her goodbye?
No. That privilege still belongs to me. I meant you kissing me.
Of course, Steve. What else could you mean? Sophia?
Bye, Miss Early.
Mrs.
Bye, Mom.
You know, Sophia.
I hope you have a great day, hon.
But I hope you don't. Hon?
Can I confess something? I had been wondering what it would be like to kiss you. And you know what? It felt like nothing I'd experienced before. How did it feel to you?
I don't remember.
Lie. The best kiss you ever get in your life.
Oh, so you have jokes?
Suddenly I'm rediscovering my sense of humor. Thanks to a special little bird.
Look, Mr. Early,
Steve.
me not stupid. Me and you know there's only one thing in my life you want from a girl like me.
But I'm not like that. I don't fool around.
No? So what? You're in love with me? You want to marry me? What do you want from me?
I don't know.
Find out and tell me.
I just want to, no, I can't. I'm a happily married man.
Alright then. We won't have to do anything like this again.
I just have this strong desire to we shouldn't.
Listen to me, Mr. Early. Try to come on and do what you're doing now. As me a human being, I'm have feelings.
Dimples,
Mr. Early.
Dimples,
Mr. Early.
Dimples,
Mr. Early.
Chris! knock on a closed door?
I think nobody was in there, boss.
It's precisely because we can't see through a closed door why we knock, Chris.
Sorry, boss, but I didn't see the thing, boss.
What do you mean, Chris? There was nothing to see.
Yes, boss. That must be why I didn't see the thing, boss.
Anything like what, Chris?
Nothing at all. Nothing whatsoever.
What is it that you want, Chris?
I was coming to offer the plans in the library. And boss, you never seen nothing.
I'm sorry if I put you in an awkward situation with Chris.
Chris, it's the least of my problems right now.
I just had to. Come, Chris, come, come, Why were you beating on the door like that, Chris?
Boss, you say if the door lock, me fi knock. And the door don't lock, so me knock.
We normally knock to get in, Chris, not to get out.
Me never take a chance, boss.
Chris. Look how you embarrass poor Chris.
Me never seen that, boss.
Me is you with a hot self.
Yeah, I think I need to take a cold shower. On second thought, I think I need to take a walk. Very long walk.
No, it's not me.
Me see everything. Every goddamn.
So what you coming here to do? Chat me up?
From the first day I see you, me know so you was nobody. Nobody. Nobody.
Whatever.
You think me I go tell you and make you come take a Miss Early from Miss Early? And yarn him out? Before I saw, you know, top 10 light for you. Till them try your backside.
Stress.
You are the first helper. Me see just a work every day. Like you are ear house heads. The must boss you look.
Me not in the mood for you right now, no watching. Stop off!
Still chaka music in it. Do you want to call the man a chat? Patwa.
What?
A 5 year me a work here. And nobody a chat patwa more than me. I've never met the boss chat patwa yet. And you. Yo! You hear me? You have to respond.
But you're not ordinary watchman. You're CIA.
Girl! What make you not kiss up the boss?
Why you never assume it's him? A kiss up me.
Cause I feel your mouth, Missy hug up like a highly get hard. I think I need shirt, but
That's all I see. You should have come a little bit earlier. You would have said, whole heap more. That's a red wine glass. Use this. It's called a Pilsner.
me no want a damn bliss now. And you proud of yourself, but you come talk about me when I say whole heap more. No class. You're so untasteful.
You mean tasteless?
Don't guard me. When you just come here, you couldn't even spell D-O-R-G, dog.
You know if it was me like you, would I leave the spelling to Galore?
Why? No, you're going to like you better than me. Just because you know a few things that me don't know.
I didn't set it up. I don't feel like that. I am not Valerie.
Valerie? At the boss wife you come call Valerie?
Now Valerie Shinian.
Her name is Mistress Early. A 5 year me a wolf now. I've never one day call her Valerie. And you, they are few weeks.
Oh! So she better than me?
Enough, better. She studied lawyering at the University of the West Indies College. Which university you? Tony bedspreading.
Same one you! Tony law knowing.
And the man thinks that you see, and your crafty king catch a fire.
Yes! I'm too tired. Me just a dead feeling views too tired with me one pattern.
Red guy won't kill you.
And how come you so concerned?
Them is good people, and me who do anything to protect them.
Protect your job.
What is wrong with protecting my job? There's enough people me work with. And this is the first place we can go in a fridge, as me like, and take a beer.
Oh, sorry, free beer. Don't worry about. Don't worry about that. Me will still allow you a free beer anytime you like. Provided you use the correct gloves.
What's up, that?
like your job, you better be careful and talk to me. Soon, you might be calling me Mrs. Early.
Before so, me poison you.
How you for poison me? After me now yam from you. Alright, watch it. Look, me don't have no ambition.
No.
To be Mrs. Early. Me not stupid.
Them is good people. They don't deserve that. Mrs. Early never do anything to deserve that.
It's a pity you already have a wife, and me don't have a money.
Hey, pal, what are we going to do about dinner? Should we order?
I've taken care of it.
What a nice place to live, sweet and love. Just can't seem to get that song out of my head. Where did you order this?
I cooked.
Cooked?
Yes, cooked.
You
That's right.
cooked dinner by yourself?
Yes, Steve.
From scratch?
Yep.
When did you learn to cook?
I've kind of been taking lessons.
Come on, pal. We both know you're too busy to be taking
Don't
lessons.
worry about it.
This is interesting.
Thanks. Steve,
What exactly is this?
it's lasagna.
Oh, lasagna. Yes. There's meat. This is meat, right?
Yes. Yes. Steve, I can't find one of my necklaces.
Val, you're always misplaced me. Which necklace is it?
The two-tone gold.
The Ashford?
Yes.
That necklace costs over $2,000 US. Val. How did you get such a nice, rich color?
Beetroot.
Beet. Wow.
It's a veggie lasagna with meat.
This is so filling. Feel like a stuffed turkey.
Steve, someone in this house stole that necklace.
Impossible. Apart from you and me, there's only Chris and Dimple. You're not suggesting
Chris has been with us for 5 years. Nothing like this has ever happened before. It has to be her. You know I'm going to have to confront her.
No! No. Let me do it. I'll ask her when she comes in on Monday.
Welcome to Korea and top of the spot. Morning is early. Sorry, ma'am.
I just don't know what's happening to these plants. Like they're suffering from root rot or something.
No, ma'am. Don't be that sturdy. Never seen the boss go for a morning walk, ma'am.
He went to the doctor first thing this morning.
Doctor, what happened to him?
Your lasagna happened to him. You might as well have given him a laxative.
It never be with him stomach.
Apparently not. I thought you said you knew how to cook, Chris.
Yes, ma'am. If I ever curry down a chicken back, you boy live in your water.
And I'm to assume that's a good thing.
But I never tried that lambada thing before.
Lasagna.
I was just kind of making it up as we go along. Based on how you say look and taste, ma'am.
But that's not what you told me, Chris.
It never bother your belly, ma'am.
Well, I didn't eat any. Just don't know what I was thinking. He's so crazy about Sophia's stewed peas.
Maybe it's what she put in her it.
I'm sure it is.
No! I mean, what she put into it.
I don't understand.
Alright, ma'am. Listen. Now, my baby mother, Girlie, she can cook stew peas. Why you think we can't let her, ma'am?
I guess you love her?
Love? Oh, love. That girl give me so much fun. And out of 5 beginning, where she said she have for me, 3.5 is not mine's, ma'am.
3.5.
The last one is twins.
You mean the last 2?
Since the two of them come out one time, we just call them as one.
Okay.
How about the first girl and half of the twins really belongs to me now. And even though I know all of that, I still can't stop minding Jackie picking it up. I can't let Girlie.
Why?
Her stew peas. You're not going down the bed now.
Well, yes, but not really.
Stewed peas are dangerous thing. We have to get rid of her before she and her 2 peas cause real trouble now.
I didn't know you felt this way about Sophia.
Can't take a bone tonight. What about the necklace, ma'am?
What about it?
You not know about it?
Oh, I found it.
Find it?
Yeah. I had just misplaced it.
You sure it's the right when you find this early? I don't think it's the right when you...
Ptomaine poisoning. Are you okay, hon?
I'm not sure.
Come away with me in the night. Come away where they can't tempt us with their lies. And I wanna walk with you on a cloudy day. Fields where the yellow grass grows knee high. So won't you try to come away with me, and we'll kiss on a mountain top. Come away with me, and I'll never stop loving you.
Dimples.
No. I don't feel right.
We have to talk.
So I'm serious. What it is?
Valerie says that one of her necklaces is missing.
And?
We haven't had a break-in.
You think me thief your wife's necklace? Oh! So the two lawyers try the case amongst themselves and find me guilty? Don't! Don't touch me. I might be poor, but me never take your precious wife, precious necklace.
I know. Chris had it hidden in his room.
Chris?
He had no plans to keep it. He wanted to incriminate her.
Why?
I think you know why, Steve.
Dimples, I'm sorry.
The only reason to stay here till the end of the week is because I'm not going back to that ignorant fool house.
Dimples.
From the first day me walking here, She know I was the burglar. So that's no surprise. But you?
What was I supposed to think?
If one of your friend them accused she of thieving their necklace, you would have believed it?
That's not fair.
No! Answer me! Would you believe it? For a minute?
That's different. Barry would never do.
Look forward. Same species. One race. The human race. Equal in God's eyes. But not in yours, right?
That's not it. I've known Barry for 15 years. I know what she's capable. I, honest to God, don't know if you're capable of stealing. Like I don't know if you're actually capable of dosing a human with gas and lighting him up. She didn't.
Right now?
I didn't mean.
It hurts. That I was stupid enough to believe that you cared. But you know what hurt more? The fact that I was foolish enough to actually care.
I do care. I swear. Valerie, I'm sorry. Valerie! Valerie!
I didn't know nobody was out here. I'm not coming to burgle anything much. Just some orange juice.
I've been waiting for you. I figured you had to get hungry sometime. I want to talk.
Nothing to talk about.
I understand the resentment. I just want to say thanks for the things you taught me.
Me? Not love. Me couldn't teach you nothing. You know everything.
I might not know everything, but I know one thing. I know that my husband doesn't fool around. I just figured women like you were
Invisible.
never a threat. You and your batty riders. And you weave.
Take out one little in. It's my natural ear.
And your glorious ignorance.
Ignorance.
Don't knock ignorance, Dimples.
Dimples?
There's a level of sincerity that only comes with ignorance.
And that's what I'm talking about now.
I had no idea you would ever be competition. Was I wrong?
Where about?
Oh God, I envy your honest to goodness simplicity.
Envy me? You're drunk.
A little. But let's not kid ourselves. A part of me wants to be like you. And a part of you wants to be like me. Sid, there's your drink.
No thanks. We're going back to my room.
Dimples, just sit down and have a friggin' drink with me now. If I don't talk to somebody, I'm going to go mad. What is it, Chris?
I was coming to watch the draft.
Chris, for God's sake, it's 2 o'clock in the morning.
Right now. I'll come back later.
It is true. Part of me wants to be like you. And a part of you wants to be like me.
I guess I'll have to admit to the latter. I sometimes wish I didn't know half the things you know. But I'm sure there's nothing about me that
I wish I could cook stewed peas.
That's easy to cook. All I know.
I mean, really cook stewed peas. I wish I knew how to stop and smell the daisies. What a nice place we live. Sweet jammed up. Only problem is, and I wish I had your vibes.
You have your own vibes, Miss Ellie.
Valerie. And it's okay to be different, Dimples. It's okay not to know which wine goes best with goat cheese, Sanceré or Bouvaré.
That's the name of the goat there?
The wines.
Theory.
And it's okay if I'm not crazy about that stuff they play at Horse of Horse.
Faster. You're coming just like Mr.
15 years is a long time, Dimples. But unless I'm sure that his feelings are resolved,
Feelings? What feelings him have to resolve?
I don't know, Dimples. I guess the same ones you do.
So amazing how this world was made. I wonder if God is a woman.
You're packed.
Waiting on a taxi.
Dimples, I'm sorry if I accused you of trying
Not
to...
your fault. You don't know me for 15 years. But you couldn't know what me capable of.
Everyone makes mistakes. Haven't you ever made a mistake?
Yes.
Dimples, I was just...
That's my taxi.
I just wondered what would have happened if I'd met you 15 years earlier.
Nothing. I was 9.
I mean,
It's so early. It wouldn't have worked.
why not?
Because me's a bird and you's a fish.
A fish and a bird could fall in love.
Yeah. But which part of them would have built them nest?
So what now? Back to what's his name?
Him send me roses. And I guess him is a bird.
Maybe, but fame, wing, tongue, hat.
Everyone makes mistakes, right?
Yeah. And if ever man needed a reason to change, you're it.
You think?
For real.
We're sorry for everything. We're sorry, Dimples. As God.
Don't worry about it, Chris.
Remember, we're telling you that you is nobody,
Over and over, Chris.
you is somebody. S-U-M-B-H-A.
Nobody has spelling.
Somebody. The best somebody I ever meet.
Are you all right?
Yeah, you?
Scared. I had no idea it was so fragile.
What?
Us. I thought we were set for life.
We are. It's okay.
You're going to have to do a lot better than that to convince me, Mr. Hurley.
It's going to be fine.
Didn't know nobody was in here, boss? Everything all right, boss?
Everything's fine, Chris.
Mrs. Early?
We'll see, Chris. We'll see.
Don't mind me. I'm just here too.
She only needs a break in life, so you can see what she can do. She's conscious and polite, and ambitious too. She's so distant, she's so quiet. She only wants someone to keep her warm. And she's a warrior, she's a champion.
Think of me fondly when we said goodbye. Remember me every so often. Promise me you'll try. On that day, that not so distant day, when you're far away and free, if you ever find a moment, spare a thought for me.
I'm talking about this ghetto girl.